May tinatawag kasing amygdala hijack. Ganito yan. Pag nasaktan ka, you become emotional. Nakokontrol yung utak mo ng amygdala. Yung emotional na part ng utak mo. So yung part of your brain who can think clearly, bigla siyang nag-offline. In other words, reflex na lang yung nagsasalita. Hindi na talaga ikaw. That is why there are people na mali na, feeling niya tama pa din siya. Alam na alam ng mag-asawa to. So, pag nasaktan ang ego mo, step aside. Don't immediately respond. Ask in your head. Baka naman tama siya. Ask, kailangan ko bang labanan tong giyera na to? Ask, nasaktan lang ba ang ego ko? Bite your tongue. Pause ka muna bago magsalita. Sabi nga ng lolo ko na si Aristotle, sabi niya, anyone can get angry. That is easy. But to be angry at the right person, at the right time, in the right way, that is the hard part. And that is the smart part too. Doon mo mapapatunayan kung gaano ka talaga katalino.